Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So, share ko lang sa inyo yung nabalitaan ko for today. And this is all about one of my target Funko Pop. Yung Funko Pop ni Eustace Captain Kidd. So, as you can see, it's just worth about $15 if you will purchase it directly in Funko Shop. Pero I don't know why, for some reason, napakamahal niyan sa market. So, I do some checking kung magkano siya online. Like, not directly in the Funko shop. So, ayan yung mga average price niya. So, this one is costing about 8,800 plus. And this one is about $179 or at least above 5,000 pa rin. Then, ayan, yung ibang mga sellers. So, for the Funko shop, $15 as I said. Then, directly check ko pa yan mismo sa Funko shop just to be sure. Pero, well, it doesn't surprise me. It's really real na pag sa Funko shop, it's just about $15. Pero, syempre, shipping-wise, it's not included. But the thing here is, overpriced talaga siya pagdating sa market. Okay. Pero, ayun nga, meron tayong nabalitaan. And this $100 plus $125 and $150 or more will change. So, we have a hype. So, check natin kung totoo. Biyahe muna tayo. We are now here mga ka-treasure kung saan natin makikita yung Funko Pop na SRP ni Eustace Captain Kidd. So we need to walk a little bit, so let's use that time to talk about bakit nga ba ganun siya kamahal. So first is baka dahil nga vaulted na kasi, so the stocks are no longer available originally sa market, kaya tumaas siya ng ganun. And on top of that, meron kasing con sticker or convention sticker yung Eustace Kidd Funko that makes it a little bit more expensive. So having it in SRP price talaga namang huge steal yan. Right? So nandito na tayo, nakikita ko na siya, hindi ikaw Philbar. So ikaw muna, hobby stock ang ating pupuntahan. So chinek natin yung mga stocks nila online. And let's check yung stocks nila dito. So, naikot ko na yan. Pero sadly, wala na daw silang stock, nagkaubusan. So, good thing nakakuha ko online. Sa store din nila mismo bago nagkaroon ng pakyawan. And I hope good box yun. So, please like and subscribe. Na-share ko lang yan today. See you guys later. See ya.